Hello, welcome to Get House. In this lesson, we will talk about 92 local Cantonese dialects. For most of the Cantonese dialects, it is totally different from Mandarin or different from the Chinese because it is our unique language. And for some of it do not have the real words. It just have the pronunciation, and so-called it is the Cantonese dialect. And today we are here to learn some of it. I'll teach you how to pronounce it and tell you the meaning, and also will give you some sentence as an example. For the first word, we will pronounce as 佢 佢. It means he or she. It means he or she. 佢 佢. For example, on in the street we see uh, a man. He dances very well. He dances very well. We will say 佢跳得好勁。佢 it means he. Dance it means 跳。Well, very well, it means 好勁。佢跳得好勁。He dances very well. And first one, 佢 it can represent he or she. And for more than one person, it means they, we, you. We will add the word they. Add the word they after 佢. So we can form 佢哋 it means they or we. If we will say 我哋 for the word 佢哋 it means they. And we can also form 我哋 it means we. 我哋 it means we. 你哋 it means you. And we can form a sentence 佢哋係我嘅朋友。佢哋係我嘅朋友。It means they are my friends. They are my friends. And our next one, we pronounce as 咁 咁. It means this. And for next one, 嗰 it means that. This 咁 that 嗰 this 咁 that 嗰. And next one, we pronounce as 咗 It means already. If we say it has been already done. It has been already done. We can say 呢個已經做咗。It means already done. The word done it means 做 and the word 咗 it means already. Already done it means 做咗. And for the next one, it is 係 it means be or is are. It is the verb to be. We pronounce as 係 If I say he is my brother. He is my brother. In Cantonese, it is 佢係我細佬。He it means 佢 is it means 係 my brother it means 我細佬. And for the second one, it is 起係起 The word "喺" it means in, on, at. For example, if we say in the NTR we cannot eat or drink. In the NTR we cannot eat or drink. In Cantonese it is 喺地鐵站我哋唔可以食嘢。喺地鐵站 it means in the NTR 我哋唔可以食嘢。We cannot eat or drink. And our next one, it is 啲。啲 it means some. Can you give me some apples? 可唔可以俾啲蘋果我啊？ Can you give me 可唔可以 some apples 一啲蘋果it means some apples. Our next one, it is 冇 it means no. If we ask do you have in Cantonese it is 你有冇 it means do you have. And next one 吓 and it is a modal word. It shows surprise. 吓 and for this one it is it means no or not. If we say 唔好 it means do not. And the next one 咩 it means what do we eat tonight? 今晚食咩 And for this word we have two pronunciation. First 咪 it means don't. 咪去 it means don't go. And the second pronunciation is 咪 it means then 咪 And next one 嘅 it means we add the apostrophe s in the pronoun or in the object. And also we can use as the possessive pronoun. If I say this watch is mine. In Cantonese we can translate as 呢隻錶係我嘅。The word 我嘅 it means mine. If we say it is yours, we will say 你嘅。If we say theirs, it means 佢哋嘅。If we say Mary's, it means 瑪麗嘅。And for this word 家 it also shares the same meaning of 嘅。We can say 呢隻錶係我㗎。This watch is mine. 我㗎 is mine. 我嘅 is mine. Both are share the same meanings. And on this one we pronounce as 我 It is the modal words. It shows we realize some things. For example, we say don't treat me as foolish. Don't treat me as a foolish. In Cantonese we can say 咪當我係傻仔喎。 咪當我係傻仔喎. And with this word we usually use at the back of the whole sentence. It shows the realization we know something, and this kind of things always be negative. And with this one, it is 嘢. It means things. 我嘅嘢 my things. 我嘅嘢 it means my things. And with this one, it is 嚟. It means come here, 過嚟 come here, 過嚟. And this one, it is law. It shows confirmation or affirmative. For example, we say 我接受唔到咯. It means I cannot accept. Cannot, it is to show the negation. It is very confirmed. It is you confirm that it is very negative. You can't agree. You disagree something. So we can say 我接受唔到咯. It shows the confirmation of something. And for this one, it is 乜. It means what. If we ask others, what are you doing? In Cantonese, it can say 你做緊乜嘢啊? What are you doing? 你做緊乜嘢啊? What are you doing? 你做緊乜嘢啊? And this word, it shows it is continuous tense. No matter it is present continuous tense or future continuous tense or past continuous tense, we also use this word to show the others. It is continuous. We pronounce as 住. For example, 食住花生. It means eating peanut. 睇住電視. It means watching television. So for the word at the ing at the back, we can translate as 住. And our next one, it is 拿. We have two meaning. First meaning, both two meaning are the modal verb. For the first meaning, it is a warning. For example, 嗱你唔乖我就罰你啦. It means if you are naughty, you will be punished. 你唔乖 if you are naughty. 如果你唔乖 if you are naughty. 你我就會罰你. You will be punished. 我就會罰你. You will be punished. And our second meaning is shows we give somebody something. 嗱俾你. It means give you now. I give you. So it shows shows something we just give you now. It shows it is continuous. Also we can say it is continuous, or we face to face with the person and give them something. So we will use this word. And this one we pronounce as 叻. It means very smart. If we say 你好叻, we can translate into 你好犀利. It means 你好叻. For example, in English we say you are very smart. You can say 你好叻. You are very smart. 你好叻. You are very smart. And this one we pronounce as it shows the emphasis. And this one, it is 攰. It means very tired. If I want to tell others I am very tired, in Cantonese it is 我好攰. I am very tired. 我好攰. I am very tired. 我好攰. And for this one, it is 依. It means this.依個 this one. And then lay, it also means this. And this three pronunciation, 依個、呢個、呢個、依、呢、呢, for these three words, we also show the same meaning, this. And here for this one, 俾, it means give you, give something. 俾你, it means give you. And this is 蚊, it means dollars. For example, $10. We will say in Chinese it is 十蚊, $10. 十蚊. 100蚊, $100. 100蚊, $100. And this word 掛, it means oh. For example, 唔係啩, oh my god. 唔係啩, it shows the modal verb oh. And this is 啱, it means yes, you are right. Yes, you are right. 啱, yes, you are right. And this is 播, it is the modal verb to show maybe we can say an example. 唔使咁謙播, it means no need to be so timid. No need to be so timid. We can say 唔使咁謙播. And this is 掂, it means finished. We always combine with 搞掂, it means finished. And this is 為, it used to raise the awareness. 喂，你好嗎? Hi, how are you? And this word used to raise the awareness. And for some time, if we forgot the name of the person, we also use the word 喂 to as the pronoun to call the other person. Of course, this is informal, and sometimes it is impolite. Except the friend, it is so friendly with them, so we can use the word 喂. And this is 睇, it means look or see. If we say watch TV, in Cantonese it is 睇電視, watch TV, 睇電視, watch TV, 睇電視. And this is 俾, it means give. The word 俾, it means the leg. 雞髀, it means chicken leg. And for this one, it is 揾, it means find. If I want to find my pencil case, we can say in Cantonese is 揾筆盒, find pencil case, 揾筆盒. And this is 晒, it means all. 快啲做晒功課. To finish all of your homework quickly. 做晒 finished all. 食晒 eat all. And this is 廿, it means 20. 廿蚊, $20. This is 仔, it means the sun. We call the sun 仔. So we can form two words together. 仔仔, it means son. And we have son, of course, we have daughter. It is 女. We can also pronounce 女. And this is 呃, it means cheat. If we say don't cheat me, 唔好呃我. Don't cheat me, 唔好呃我. And this is 奀, it means very thin, very slim, and up to the unhealthy situation. We will describe that guy is 奀, 你好奀, it means you are too slim or you are too thin. And this is 乸, It means the female, especially used to describe the animals, the female animals. If we use this word to describe a human, the female human, it is impolite. So we all normally we won't use this word to describe humans. Mostly used to describe the animals. And this is ling. Ling, it means take. 拎住 take it. And this is 響響響屋企 it means at home. 響屋企 at home. 響條街道 it means in the street or on the street. And this is 閂閂 it means close. 閂門 close the door. 閂門 close the door. 閂電視 close the television. 閂電視 close the television. And this one we have two pronunciation. First is lum lum. It means like. Yeah, or it is my cup of tea. We can say 好冧好冧. And this is lum lum. It means collapse. For example, the house collapse. We will say 間屋冧間屋冧. Lum like lum collapse. 斜斜. And this is the modal verb to show disdain. To show disdain, it means a bit dissatisfied. And this one, it is 唞唞. It means take a rest. 唞下先啦. Take a rest first. 唞下先啦. Take a rest first. And this one is ngan. Ngan have two meaning. First meaning, it means afternoon. Second meaning, it is later or late. 晏咗, sorry, I am late. 晏晝, it means later, afternoon. This one, two pronunciation shows the one same meaning. 諗諗諗諗, it means think. 諗下先. Let me think about it. And this is 屙屙. It means excrete. Just like go to toilet. 屙屙. And this 掟. It means throw. 掟你 throw you. Throw something at you. Throw. This 掹. It means pull. Pull your hair. 掹你嘅頭髮 pull. This 遮. It means nothing more than.遮. La. It shows the satisfied. And this 喐. It means move. Thus we have four pronunciation. Firstly, 抌. It means delayed. 抌時間 delay the time. 抌波鐘 delay the time. 抌. It means throw something, throw away. 揼. It means feast. This word is widely used in Cantonese. This is 搣. It means pinch. And this 碌. It can show the symmetrical or rolling. 碌嚟碌去, it means rolling along somewhere. 碌.嘥, it means waste. 嘥晒啲嘢食 waste food. And this is 嬲. It means provocative. 嬲打, you want to fight with others or you want to be fight. And 嬲 it means you just wear the coat, wear the jacket. 撈禍 it means trouble. 大鑊 it means very serious trouble. And this 噏 it means speak. 你噏乜嘢啊？ What are you speaking? 你噏乜嘢啊？ What are you speaking? This is 篤 and firstly we can translate into a pile of. And second translation it is at the end. 喺最篤 it means at the end of somewhere. And this is 篤 and this one it means and the meaning can be deep something. 篤 and this is 嬲 or 嬲 it means very angry. 我好嬲 I'm very angry. 燶 it means burnt. The burnt chicken wings it means 燶咗嘅雞翼 燶咗 it means burnt. We always use in BBQ we just to burnt the chicken wings, so we can say your chicken wings are burnt. 你隻雞翼燒燶咗 And this is chat. It means 傾偈 chat with 同你傾偈 chat with you. 嚿 it means a piece of. For example 一嚿水 it means $100. 兩嚿水 $200. It means two pieces of 100 notes. So we can say 嚿 攞 it means take 攞 氹 it means play with 氹小朋友 play with kids. 夾 it means look 夾 姣 it means frivolous and it is very very negative to describe a female. Always we won't use this word to describe the normal females. For some of the females it just and for them we're too sassy. So we will use the word how to describe them. But nowadays it is yes we can say just we're too little girls, just sassy girl. We will use the word how to describe a sassy girl. And this is law it means embarrassed. Gum it means press the button 撳掣 press the button 撳掣 And this one 點 Firstly it means how or how come 點樣啊 how come 點樣行啊 how to go there 點樣做啊 how to do 點樣玩啊 how to play. And for the second word it means instruction or order. This word is 瓜 it means dead or die. This is 執 it means pick up something 執嘢 pick up something or tidy up. This is 褪 it means move backward 向後褪 move backward 褪 孭 carry something on your back. If I carry my school bag, we can say 孭書包 carry my school bag 孭書包 This is 揸 it means grip catch or take 揸住啲嘢 it means grip something on hand. This is 劏 it means cut into. 插 it means scout at. 俾老細狂插 it means the boss or always scouts at me or at you or at somebody else. 插 咬 it means scared or guilty. We always recombine 淆底 it means you're scared to do something, but at the very beginning you just speak out or cry out you can do it. Just like the bungee jump. You say, okay, I go to play the bungee jump. When you walk to the top and prepare to jump down, and you feel scared, and you just scared, and you just move backward. And for this situation, we will describe you as 淆底. And this is fun. It means sleep. 我瞓啦 I sleep. 我瞓啦 I sleep. And this is 緊. It also used in the continuous tenses. If I say 我打緊機 it means I'm playing computer games. 我食緊嘢 I'm eating. 我行緊街 I am shopping. And this is lie. It means encounter something bad. It is very negative. This is high. It means tough. If we say the rice is very tough to eat or undelicious, so we can say it is 好high. And this one, it is 度呢度係邊度 where it is. 度 it means where, the place. For example, we can say you are in hurry. Where do you go? 你好急腳喎，去邊度啊？ You are in hurry. In Chinese, 你好急腳，去邊度啊？ Where do you go? And this is 揈 it means swing, nearly to fall down, but just hold at that point, just swing. If we just give some more power, or we just pull it just falling down. For this situation, we will pronounce as 揈. If we say the string is the string swings. It means 條繩喺度吊吊揈 it means swing from the left to the right. And here are totally 92 local Cantonese dialects. If you want to know more or you want to have more practice, you can go to GeekUpHouse.com, or you can read more books, especially for the Cantonese books.